All right, math test. Figure 1 and Figure 2 are similar figures. So we have figure RSTUVW and figure DEFABC. Which of these proportions is true? So make sure you match up the right side with the correct side. Number 2, triangle RST is translated 6 units to the left and 4 units up to create RST prime. Which of these shows 6 to the left and 4 up? Number 3, pentagon VWXYZ is shown on the grid. A student reflected a pentagon across the x-axis to create the other pentagon. Which rule describes the transformation reflected across the x-axis? Which of these rules is reflected across the x-axis? Number 4, trapezoid PQRS is rotated 180 degrees about the origin to make this other trapezoid. So it's rotated 180 degrees. Which statement is true? F, the sum total of the angle measures of the trapezoid is 180 degrees. We'll restart F. The sum total of the angle measures of trapezoid is 180 degrees less than the sum total of the angle measures of the trapezoid, the new one. G, trapezoid is not congruent to the new trapezoid. Remember, we're rotating. F, the area of the trapezoid is less than the area of the new trapezoid on a rotation. Or J, the angle measures of a trapezoid are equal or the same to the corresponding angle measures of the new trapezoid. So which one of those is a rotation? Which one is true? Number 5, a square with a perimeter of 20 units is graphed on the grid. The square is dilated by a scale factor of 0.4. The origin is the center of dilation. If xy is any point in the original square, which algebraic representation is correct for this dilation? So which one of these rules is written for a scale factor of 0.4? Number 6, triangle JKL is dilated with the origin as the center of dilation to create triangle JKL prime. So we have, this is the new shape, this one is the old shape. Which rule best represents the dilation that has been applied to triangle JKL to create the new triangle? Which of these is the dilation to create the new triangle? New over old. Number 7, a shape is graphed on a coordinate grid with xy representing the location of a certain point on the shape. The shape is transformed using the rule xy becomes a, which is like the scale factor x, comma a y. Which statement must be true? A, if the scale factor a is greater than 1, the shape will be congruent. B, if the scale factor a is less than 1, the shape will be congruent. C, if the scale factor a is greater than 1, the new shape will be smaller. Or D, if the scale factor a is less than 1, the new shape will be smaller. Which of those statements is true? Number 8, a shape will be dilated on the coordinate grid to create a smaller shape. Which rule could be this dilation? So which of these will be a reduction? Which of these is a reduction? Number 9. Quadrilateral PQRS is translated 5 units to the right and 3 units up to create the new shape. Which rule describes this transformation? 5 units to the right, 3 up. Which of those is this one? 10. A transformation is applied to the figure to create a new figure. Which transformation is not congruent? Which one of these does not preserve and keep congruence? Which one is not congruent? Is F a reflection, G a translation, H a dilation, J a rotation? Which one is not congruent? 11. Triangle ABC was translated to create ABC prime. So this is the new one. It was translated down this way. Which rule best describes this translation? So it was translated. Which of these is a translation? Number 12. Quadrilateral KMPT is dilated by a scale factor of 3/4. So we have a scale factor of 3/4. To create quadrilateral KMPT prime. The perimeter of quadrilateral is x units. What is the perimeter in units of the new quadrilateral? We have a scale factor of 3/4. What does that mean you do? Which of these is how you use scale factor?